average person, you can probably put on your shoes, socks, pants, and a top in 30 seconds if you had to. For someone with a disability, you probably need to double or triple that amount of time. My name is Cheryl Angelelli, and I had a spinal cord injury when I was 14 years old as a result of a diving accident. So I am a quadriplegic, which means that my hands are paralyzed and I don't have fine motor skills.
My name's Gina Adams, and I'm really excited to introduce Buttons to Button. We developed a product that converts traditional buttons into magnetic closures to help people with disabilities overcome limitations in dexterity.
In 1991, I had a 2,000-pound packing crate fall on me. I had burst fractures of T11, 12, and L1.
As we started out on this journey, it was really to restore independence, and it's really transformed into a much deeper, more emotional impact.
For me, when I had my disability, my self-esteem was impacted because there were a lot of things that I couldn't do for myself. So just the self-esteem that somebody can get from buttoning their own shirt to be independent and doing something so simple that most people take for granted is huge.
It caused, anxiety, it caused anger, it caused frustration. I've got things I want to do and I can't get dressed. The product that you are attempting to develop and market would have saved me immeasurable time getting dressed.
Regardless of the disability, whether it's caused by arthritis or a stroke, they all result in limitations to mobility. And so simple activities of daily living like getting dressed are impossible for nearly 30 million people, at least without the assistance of an aid or a tool. It just inspired me to come up with a solution to help alleviate some of that frustration.
It's wonderful to see the potential that this product will have in changing people's lives and really giving them choices when it comes to fashion. I think these buttons would be a great addition to your life.
It's really difficult for me to ask for money. However, as a startup, we are raising seed money to develop and manufacture our first round of beta prototypes so that we can begin testing and get these into the hands of people that need it most. Thank you so much for your contribution and for joining this great cause. We have a unique opportunity to create a social impact for millions of people, as well as restore levels of self-sufficiency and freedom of choice to look and feel great. Thank you.